Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where today we're embarking on a hilariously mischievous drawing adventure with a squirrel that's up to some cookie capers. So gather your art supplies, because we're in for some giggles, fun, and loads of creativity as we catch this sneaky squirrel red-handed. Our journey begins with the creation of those iconic pointy squirrel ears, perched atop a round and adorable squirrel face. But here's where the fun begins. We're giving her an expression that tells a story. Start by drawing one big, bright, open eye and close the other to create a wink. Add a pointy little nose, a wide, cute smile with two teeth sticking out at the front, and a big, long mouth. There's a tongue peeking out too, signifying her extreme happiness and unstoppable giggles. Now, let's craft two fluffy, adorable arms with petite, pointer-like fingers. As she gleefully holds a chocolate cookie. But wait. The plot thickens. Underneath her hand, there's a cookies jar. And it's filled with more cookies. It looks like this naughty squirrel has stolen a cookie right from the jar and is now caught red-handed, chuckling with all her might. To complete our story, we'll fashion a round, fluffy body with 2 feet peeking out from the sides of the jar. And of course, we can't forget to give our squirrel a big, fluffy tail, all curled up in delight. Now the fun part begins. It's time to add color to our cheeky squirrel drawing. Start by giving our squirrel a lovely brown hue. To add a splash of personality, add a pop of peach, giving our squirrel that extra dash of color. Then paint her tail in a warm shade of orange. As for the cookies, make them in classic shades of brown with all that delicious chocolate oozing out. To bring it all together, let's give the glass jar a cool blue hue to give it a little extra charm. I hope you're enjoying this drawing adventure as much as I am. But before we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that like button if you had fun watching this tutorial. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more creative and engaging tutorials like this one. Thanks for joining me today. Keep creating, and let's continue to share the joy of art together.